Hello. It's so good to be here. It's Mama Babe, and I see you, and you, and you, and you. Hello, hello, my friends. Can you say hello? My name is Mama Babe. Can you say hello? We're gonna have some fun. Are you ready to play? Tell me your name, my friends. Tell me your name. Come on, call it out. Oh, yes, I love those beautiful names. And I love starting with this song, don't you? Mama Babe welcomes you to Secrets of the Heart.
Secrets of the heart. Secrets of the heart.
Rainy, can you call Bhutan so he can help us with the Young Master's Pledge? Oh, it sounds like rain, doesn't it? Okay, are you ready? Can you all stand up? I see you and you. Is everybody standing? Okay. Oh, you too. Here we go. Make a peace sign with your right hand, place it over your heart, and repeat after me. Ready? I promise
I promise
to use my gifts
to use my gifts
every day
every day
in every way,
in every way,
for I am a young master.
for I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
Oh, very good, young masters. You may be seated. Are you sitting crisscross applesauce? Oh, what's that? Oh, yes. Rainy says she'd like to do the breathing song today. Let's raise our hands first to thank the sun. Thank you for shining, sun. Let's put our hands like this on our lap. Let's breathe the sunlight in and out. Close your eyes. Oop, are your eyes closed? Didn't that feel good? Oh, yes, Rainy. Rainy wants to know if you'd like to learn a new secret. Today's secret is the question of the day.
What is creating?
Oh, thank you, Teensy. Today's secret is creating. You know, some people who cannot hear speak words by using their hands. This is how you say creating in American Sign Language. Creating. Can you do it with me? Creating. One more time. Let's sign and say it together. Creating. Oh, very good, young masters. I'll bet Zuumi can tell us all about creating. Has anybody seen Zuumi?
Hi, Mama Babe. Here I am.
Hi, Zuumi. Do you know today's secret?
Oh, secrets. I do love secrets.
I know. Today's secret is creating. Do you know what creating is?
I do. Creating is making something out of nothing.
Well, can everybody create?
Oh, yeah, everybody. Someone created everything.
Oh, everything?
Mm-hmm. Yes, someone created the chair that you're sitting in, the dress that you're wearing.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh, someone created toys.
Yay!
And airplanes.
Uh-huh.
And cars. And buses. Oh, so many things.
Well, you can create pies and song and a drawing and a colored heart. Whatever you can think of, Mama Babe.
Oh, creating is so much fun.
And you know what? I can create a new friend.
Really? How do you do that?
By smiling and being nice. Right, friends?
Oh, you mean like our young masters are creating new friends at school?
Right. It's almost like magic.
Yeah. Well, what letter does the word create start with?
It starts with the letter C. Create. Can you say it with us?
Create. Oh, thank you for creating with me today, Zumi.
Oh, yay.
We created a way for the young masters to learn something new.
I love creating with you, Mama Babe.
Me too, Zumi. Me too.
So what's in the treasure chest today, Mama Babe?
Oh, it's today's heart, the color of the day.
Oh, boy.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Wow! It's turquoise!
Yeah.
Yeah, I love turquoise!
But can you name 3 things that are turquoise, Zumi?
Oh.
Can you think of 3 things, young masters?
Let me think. There's a turquoise stone, right?
That's good.
A robin's egg.
Beautiful.
Oh, an iguana.
Great job, Zumi. Great
Mama
job. Now see if you can find the color turquoise in today's cartoon.
Yeah.
Kiss your little brothers and sisters.
Mother Earth, Mother Earth, we thank you for the gifts that you give. Mother Earth, Mother Earth, we thank you for the love that you give. For all the oceans, for all the trees, the rivers and the skies, for all the dragonflies, for all the animals and all the people, mountains all around us, fishes in the sea. Mother Earth.
You can take a break right now if you want, or you can keep going. Next, we're gonna dance with Miss Natalie.
Hello, it's me, Miss Natalie. We're creating a new dance for Mother Earth today. Let's raise our hands up to the sun. Are you ready? Come on, everybody stand up and follow me. So we're gonna get low to the floor like a froggy. Here we go. Good, do you see the fly? Do you see it? I see it. Let's leap like a frog. Are you ready, everybody? Go! And leap. And leap. And jump. 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 To the left. To the right. Nice, guys. To the left. To the right. To the front. To the back. To the front. To the back. Stand up. Let's go. Wiggle. And up. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pick those knees up. Ha. Nice. Can you Nice. Again. And up to the front. Good. Nice. And back. Shake it out. Up. Twist, twist, twist. Up. Twist. Again. Hey. Woo. Let's go. Take those arms. Nice. Woo! All done. Great job, young masters. You may be seated.
Should we say hello to Mother Earth together? Okay, let's say hello, Mother Earth. One more time. Hello, Mother Earth. Where are you taking us today, Mother Earth? Oh, Mother Earth is calling us back to New Mexico, to the Zuni Pueblo. Can you say Zuni Pueblo? Are you ready for today's story? Once upon a time, there was a magical Native American boy named Gomeo who grew up in the Zuni Pueblo of New Mexico. When Gomeo was young, he learned how to create. It was like magic to him. He learned to create art with silver, the metal from the earth, and he used different shaped stones. Some of them were turquoise. He started out with 64 crayons, and he created art in school and at home. Art makes the world beautiful. Would you like to meet Gomeo and see what he's going to share with us today? Okay, let's call him. Let's say, hello, Gomeo. Let's say it again together. Hello, Gomeo.
My name is Gomeo Babalu. I am from the Zuni Pueblo. I am an artist.
What kind of art do you make?
I come from a family of silversmiths, mostly women. I was taken care of by my grandmother. I was taken care of by my mother. And I was watching my mother work with turquoise, this stone from the earth, this blue stone. This is the rough side. This is what it looks like when it comes from the ground. It comes from the copper mines. And she would put the turquoise on a stick to shape it. The shape here is a square. You can make circles, you can make squares, and you can make triangles.
How do you make your art?
So what I would do is we used to burn wax on a candle. We burn the wax on the candle and then we would put it on the stick. So the stick would hold the stone and we would grind it on the motor. That's how my mother shaped the stones. She would make pear shapes. These turquoise are from the 1970s. So they're almost 50 years old.
How did you learn to make art?
This is how I started out 20 years ago. This design here I call Hawikuman. Hawikuman is a tribute to my little brother. I make little people to honor my brothers and sisters.
How old were you when you learned to make art?
I was probably about 8 or 9 years old. I started painting because I wanted to feel good. And that's what art does. I started out with 64 crayons in the 3rd grade. My favorite grade was 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and 5th grade because I learned how to do Indian art. I learned how to do art because I wanted to make money. I wanted to help my mother. We did arts and crafts because it always put food on the table. And that's how I started out with the turquoise and the candle and the wax.
What do you like about art?
I like art because you can create and you can make something happen out of nothing.
I so enjoyed Gomeo today. Didn't you? Have you learned those shapes? A triangle, a circle, a square. My question for you this week is, what can you create this week? Maybe I'll create a new friend. Until then, I have something for you to think about. Did you ever wonder what makes the earth brown, or makes the sky blue, or makes the sun yellow? Did you ever wonder what makes you, you? It's the way you smile at the people you meet, the love you share, the friends you make that make you, you, and make being you worthwhile. We'll see you next time. Oh, what's that, Rainy? Oh, Rainy says before we go, we should do the Young Masters Pledge. Stand up. Is everybody ready? Okay. Make a peace sign with your right hand, place it over your heart, and repeat after me. I promise
I promise
to use my gifts
to use my gifts
every day,
every day,
in every way,
in every way,
for I am a young master.
for I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
Oh, very good, young masters. What's today's secret? Creating. Can you sign and say it with me? Creating. Let's do it one more time. Creating. Can you repeat after me? I love creating. Oh, very good. And this week, maybe you can create a drawing of you creating something. And maybe you could use the color turquoise blue. Oh, I'd love that. Bye-bye, friends. We'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.
So we go round and round